The remote island of Siquijor is unique, not only in the Philippines, but the whole of Southeast Asia, renowned since ancient times as a centre of witchcraft, magic, and folk healing. Located in the central Visayas region, Siquijor lures many Filipino travellers, including those living abroad, who come to experience the island's therapies that blend Catholicism, introduced by the Spanish in the 16th century, with shamanic practices such as potion making, exorcism, and herbal fumigation. The various natural and supernatural treatments available here are widely regarded for their alleged powers to eradicate sickness and disease. Join us to discover the Mystic Island. Good morning from Siquijor, Philippines island of voodoo, black magic and witchcraft. There is some other stuff as well though. Let's go and have a look around. Our first stop of the day here is the Pitogo Cliffside. Now, it's not even 8:30 yet and it's already pretty crowded. So if you've got this on your itinerary, you need to get it pretty early. People are queuing for photos already. Febe's just setting up the drone. Let's have a look. As you can probably tell, the theme here is very much photo opportunities. Everyone's just clicking away. We're going to get our drone footage, get out of it, and see somewhere else. As we leave the Pitogo Cliffs for our next destination, you get a first glimpse there at some of the potions, spells, and voodoo dolls on offer here. Hopefully we see a bit more of that later. Let's go. We've stopped to see a tree, although not quite. We haven't really stopped to see the tree. This is the old Enchanted tree. You do have to pay to go in. But what they do have here is some of the potions and spells and other stuff, so we're going to have a look at that instead. Let's go. I wonder what this one would taste like mixed with Tandoy rum. Febe is over here looking for the infinite money spell. I don't think that one's out yet.
It's what you need.
Febe's found one that's going to cure my knee pain. Am I supposed to smoke it? I'll take that as a no. The next stop is called Hapitanan. And it's a bit of a photo opportunity where people jump with a broomstick and someone takes a photo for them. It looks like they're flying on a broomstick. However, with my dodgy knee, that's not going to be possible for me today. We'll see if Febe can have a go, maybe. What have you brought, Febe?
Jackfruit.
Jackfruit wine. Got the witch's cat hiding under the table down there. Febe's going to have a go on the Witches Broomstick. Let's see how it goes. Okay, it turned out pretty well. It'll be on the screen right now. After a little bit of a longer journey, we're back by the beach. We're at the Salagdoong beach resort. Now, when we picked to come here, we had visions of beautiful sunshine, turquoise seas, white sand. It's not quite what we've got. It's a bit of a rocky beach, and the waves look a bit brutal out there at the minute. So I'm not sure if we're going to jump in here. We're going to have a walk around first, and then we'll decide. Let's go. This is the reason we weren't too fussed about swimming at the last place. This is Cambugahay Falls. I've got to walk up and down 135 steps now with my bad knee. Let's hope it's worth it. I think it will be. Let's go. It costs 50 pesos to get in, less than £1. It's absolutely beautiful here. It's kind of busy, but there's not too many people. There's a rope swing. There's a raft for the people that don't want to swing. I think it's time to get in. How cold is it on a scale of 1 to 10?
7.
7, yeah. 7.7. It's pretty cold, but it's pretty refreshing. It goes without saying, but for those of you that do need me to say it, this is obviously fresh water. We're pretty much in the jungle here. Nothing man-made, completely natural falls, other than the rope swings, of course. If you're wondering, it does feel pretty safe here, despite the fact people are jumping off a jungle scaffold. There's plenty of people sort of working here around. It's a lot safer than places we've been in, like Laos and other places in Southeast Asia. Just people plummeting from the sky all around me. The camera's unintentionally gone for a bit of a swim. The audio might be dodgy for the rest of the video. Just been in the cave and it's pretty cool. I've decided that I'm going to risk it. There is no reward without risk, I suppose, so we'll take the camera in and risk the audio being crap for the next few days and have a look around. Let's go. I'm running out of storage space now. That's enough from here. See you again somewhere else. And now for something completely different. We are at the Kanheron Ranch. And if you're wondering what's going to be here, so am I, kind of. Should we go and find out? Okay, well it turns out that the Kanheron Ranch was started by a Filipino who moved to the American West. And it's kind of all about wood carving and cowboy type stuff. Now, being from the town of High Wycombe, we know all about making stuff out of wood. We're famous for making chairs, so I can respect that. It's a nice big open space in here. We just have a wander around and take some photos. Speaking of chairs, we got some pretty good ones here. They could almost be from Verco. It feels very out of place on this island. It's, yeah, it's very strange. Chardonnay. More Chardonnay. I don't know anything about wine, so it's probably best I don't try and read them out. What else have we got? Blue Moon, Belgian White. That's one that we certainly have in England. Heineken. Bottle of Stella. Very sophisticated. Well, if you're ever throwing a party in old Siquijor and you don't want the witch theme, maybe come here and do a cowboy one instead. That's going to be all for the video today. We're back on the beach that you saw at the very start of the video. If you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel adventures, and I'll see you next time in Febe's hometown. See you there.